Alrighty, we are going to unbox Kaldheim for Best There Is Games. We are past the time for pre-release. Can't go on sale, of course, any of the singles. But I had a slow day today, so I want to get some singles out that we will be putting in the case line. You guys all have seen this stuff. Oh, we open up with a Mythic. And I like to keep the snow to the side. The snowlands, I should say, to the side. Yeah. Let's just keep on going. See how good this box can be. Or will be. That's pretty cool. Secret God. Like I said, the snowlands, I'm gonna put all to the side. I basically gotta organize my bulk anyways. So I kind of want to go through this box. So I already have, try and get a second win here. I'm tired after today, but it was just an odd day. Cool, another Mythic. That's 2 Mythics so far within a few packs. Kind of sucks we can't do normal pre-releases right now because of the pandemic. Hopefully we get some cool full art. There's an Angel Relic, another snow. I think, is it snow every pack? Can't remember. I think it is, yeah. It's good to save any of these sets that you get. Those kind of lands, special type of lands that we normally don't get. Rally the Ranks. Pretty fun card. I have that in my sealed deck. Gotta put all those snow over there. We kind of know there's a foil. I'll toss this down here. It's got foils in there already. And Pyre of Heroes. Another. So we will see. Vampire Dragon. I always thought he looked cool. Don't know how everyone else's pulls have been. I've seen a lot of good pre-release kits, but box-wises, I do not know. Ooh, 3rd Mythic. So 3rd Mythic. Throw the snow over there. We got quite a bit left to open, too. So 3 Mythics so far is pretty good. If you guys saw me open up the pre-release kit, we did really well with Mythics in the pre-release kit. I think we got 3 just in those 6 packs. Release the Kraken. Put that token over there. Ooh. Cool art. I swear. Wow. Is that our 4th Mythic? I think so. We should be done with Mythics at this point, but I still got a pretty good amount left in our box right here. If you can see, we have, I think we've only took, let me look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 so far? Pretty good. I like this Demon Cleric. And another foil. Pretty interesting, man. Pretty interesting how this is going. Alright. Let's see what we got back here. Dang, the Angel again. Snow, of course, just to make sure. It's going to be so much fun to go through all these darn commons and uncommons and do them by color, man. I don't know. So I think the Loki card, or that's what they're calling it, the trickster one, is what everyone wants. Another foil, drop that in there. I had foils in there already. This is a really cool card. Like it a lot. The Crippling Fear. I think it could be seeing some big play. And what? In what set? I have no freaking clue. But got a foil, man. We're getting a lot of foils. Glorious Protector, another Angel, Snow, and foil. Not bad. Let's see. Let's look at what we got right here. Got 1, 2, 3. Is that 6? 7. 8. Who do we appreciate? Actually, I don't want to fill that box up with it. I'll fill that box with it right now. That's how we'll toss it. I want to put the... So we have 6, 7, 8 packs left. So whoops, there's 21 packs left. Let's see if we can get lucky and actually get more mythics. That'd be really cool. How about some foil mythics? Another foil. Ooh, full art mythic. That. And don't worry, I'll show you all what we pulled afterwards. But so far, this box is alive and kicking. Then we got Egon, Ghostbusters. Who you gonna call? A lot of packs left, man. For a pretty excellent box. If I say myself, a lot of foils coming out. Put that foil in there. Snow and Human Berserker. Would you like to touch my what? Berserker. Alright, what else we got here? Come on, baby. Open up. Alright. Get out of my way. Vehicle. I think that's the only vehicle in the set, honestly. I think. I may not be 100%. But I think I can. I think. Oh. We got our foil for the box. Our rare foil. Another Egon. Who you gonna call? There's that. And another saga. I don't know how I feel about the sagas yet. I only had one in my deck I made during sealed. And that one was... we had like some little like sit down games with a couple of the guys, and we just built our decks because we can't run tournaments. And I put that in there. Oh my god, another mythic. Gotta be kidding me. Yeah. And I put one in there, I believe. One of the rare sagas. And that was pretty helpful. I ran black white. Got that. That over there. Yeah, so I'm not sure how I feel about the sagas. And another saga, as I talk about, I think this one for giant. Oh, each, yeah. Battle of Frost and Fire deals 4 damage to each non-giant. This is huge for me because I have a giant deck, actually. I call it my wrestling deck. It's pretty funny, gimmicky. I will be playing it on the channel at some point. I've already played my $1 Million Man deck. A lot of wrestling influences. Wow. God of Lies. Full art. We'll have to check the value on that. Get that ready to be moved for next week. Wow, that's nuts. We're gonna have to really count these mythics, man. Whoa, this box, man. Okay, that is the promo. I do not like getting promos. We're getting down there. I think we've got about 10 packs left. We're getting low. Get low, get low. There's a foil. And Graven Lore. Snow Instant. I think I've seen that already. I actually have a snow deck I've had for some time. And now I gotta make adjustments in those. Wow, another foil rare. That's kind of cool. Normally they only do one per box. And my land. And flip land. Too much flip. This is a really good box. Wow. I'm glad I decided to do it. Saga. Cool, fun stuff there. Like that design. That's what we got left. I can't complain, man. I cannot complain. I cannot. Another saga. It's saga time right now, I guess. I thought that was another rare for some reason, but it wasn't. Wow, we're at 11 minutes? I thought it was quicker than that. Don't think no value in that land, but oh well. Was it Faceless? Right, Haven? Don't think so. Foil, drop that in there. There's our Snow and Elf Warrior. I haven't seen that guy really. I've only seen so many people open up stuff so far. All right, we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still alive. All right. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. Flip, okay. All right, we're on the 4th to the last. I've seen that pulled. All right, down to 3. Can we get another mythic? I know that's a little greedy asking, but can we? Wow, 3rd foil rare. That's nuts. Even if there is no value, that's just nuts. Snow covered and looks like a flip. Got a flip, got a flip. 2 left, guys. 2 left. All right. All right. Really weird. 3 foil rares in the box. Okay. Got a Snow Sorcery. And here's our last pack. Our last pack. What is it going to be? Is it going to be a stinker or a winner? That is a nice foil, man. Good golly, Miss Molly. Good golly, Miss Molly. There's the foil over there. There's our land and our last. It's just a regular. Nah, I shouldn't say regular. It's a rare. All right. So let's look at this real quick. Got all my snows over here. All right. Let's get this stacked together nice as we can without ruining anything. We got to sleeve up these foil or these mythics for sure. So let's see. Let's see. You got to be there soon, right? There we go. Okay. There's the Big Daddy everyone wants. That's the Big Daddy. And then we got that one. Nice foil Egon. Nice foil Egon. Regular Egon. Full art. Another mythic. And another mythic. another mythic, and another mythic. So we ended up getting, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mythics in one box. 7 mythics in one box. And one of those being the Loki. I don't know how much value is in any of that, but that's just pretty good. So yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy buying that box, or getting that box. Go for the boxes, guys. You might be able to pull crazy stuff like that. I mean, I think I definitely got my value. Not to mention all the rares I have. So that's just nuts. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll put it up and check it out. All right. Bye-bye.